Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple lemon syrup. This syrup can be drizzled over snacks, cakes, fruits, and even added to drinks. It is very delicious and very easy to make. To make this syrup, you need equal parts of water and sugar and also lemons. So I'm gonna pour the sugar and the water into a pan and cook it over medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. During that time, the sugar is gonna dissolve and the syrup will begin to thicken up. So if you're new to my channel or you're a returning viewer and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. So after 30 minutes, it is time to add the lemon. It is advisable to use organic lemons because you're gonna be cooking the skin, and also you can use as much lemons as you want depending on how intense you want the flavor to be. And I like to cut my lemons like this so that there will be more exposed surface area for the pectin to be extracted into the syrup. Pectin is a food thickener that is found in a lot of fruits, especially citrus fruits. The pectin helps to thicken the syrup and also prevents sugar crystallization when the syrup cools down. So after squeezing the juice into the syrup, throw in the rind so that it's gonna cook for about 10 minutes or more. Once in a while, I like to go in with a spatula to squeeze out any juice that is still left. Let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on other social media platforms and don't forget to check out my website. Thank you. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat and let it continue to cool down. And when it cools down, it's gonna be thicker. But if you want it to be thicker than this, you can cook it some more. So when the syrup cools down, I'm gonna remove the lemon rinds and save them for later. They are very good to snack on. They are called candied lemon peels. They are very delicious. Look at it, so glossy and yummy. That is another reason to use organic lemons. So transfer the golden delicious goodness into a container and use as needed. Please do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe if you have not. Thank you. I'm just gonna leave it open to make sure it completely cools down. While it is cooling down, let us take a closer look at the syrup to see how thick it is. See? It has honey consistency and can be used in place of honey. Like I said earlier, the sugar is not gonna crystallize and the syrup is gonna stay this way in liquid form till the last golden drop. In case you're wondering how to use this, you can drizzle it on your toast, add to your tea, add to lemonade, any drink, drizzle on cake or any delicious snack like this. I have a video on how to make alkaki. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later. In case you're interested in making lemon syrup, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you're gonna enjoy it. It is very delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.